He passed me a copy of the incident report. It said that Danny's turnout coat was doused in turpentine. But I checked, and the plant owner said that there wasn't any in the factory.
Baby hiccups.
Stand temperatures in excess of 500 degrees. But the coroner said that the fire did not exceed 250. How did my brother burn hotter than the fire that supposedly killed him?
Well, a fireman died fighting a fire. I'm not sure as to the crime.
I did some digging. Last week, another firefighter, Leo Barnes, was killed in action. Same circumstances. Traces of turpentine and ignition temperatures hotter